Time to kit up the JZX.
Sheesh.
Holy crap, it looks like a car.
Sheesh. Dude, these things are wicked high off the ground.
It is. You don't.
What are you beating on over here, eh?
They screwed something up.
Yep.
That line's right up. That hole with a little zip tie there. And then all you need is build something from here to there to mount here. So I was looking at, I think this is kinked in there or it needs a little bit.
That headlight not sitting up very well.
Well, those brackets are mounted.
Where this needs to go. So even past where I can push this, if I can get in that's better. It's pretty solid. So we're just going to push in as far as we can go.
Dude, I can't even keep this thing steady.
Why?
It's hungry. Hungry. Got the shakes.
Give us some cool roll-bys with us working on it. Like,
Picture me rolling in my 5 on a Benz.
honestly, I think the body will sand down pretty good. It'll sand down pretty straight, pretty good. That fitment though, that body line's pretty good. It's better than it used to be. This,
Keep it steady for the shot. All right, let's go check this other side. About same.
go up it looks like. I might need to put washers underneath this up here.
Yeah.
Straight freaked.
You know what I need to order for it? Is just a headlight intake. So I won't even have a headlight anymore. It'll just be an
It's on
intake.
the wrong side.
Oh no, we'll have to do a crossover to
Or just do a front mount inner front right there.
Yeah. That's big.
Getting the action. Nice. Nice form. Good form. What are you down here doing? Nothing?
Nothing. Nothing interesting.
Ooh, that's the closest she's been.
Yeah.
Where does it actually mount? Like bottom wise? I know you got 2 up here.
There's one
You
right
got a push
behind here.
pan.
There's one right behind here. And then there's one like right here somewhere.
Nothing in the bottom though? That sucks. This thing looks like a Honda Accord. From the front.
Needs some spats in a bad way.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. And a wrap.
It's already looking better without that bowl crap.
Oh, she just disintegrate when you went to, yeah.
Give her the old yeet button. So we're gonna.
What kind of, what was that?
Those are rivets.
Is that just a broken rivet?
No holes in there, yeah.
Okay.
So we'll have to carefully get those out because I'm gonna hopefully wrap it and not fill those in or anything. Just wrap it with it.
Old rivets.
Ready? It's on there. It's on there. Look at this back bumper here. Damn, solid. Solid.
So the car's got this sweet floral design. This one's not bad, but a lot of had this snake boot and skulls. And it's got to go. So we're pulling all this apart. And we did the ashtray on this one too. But we're pulling all this apart so we aren't so country. Not so country. So we'll clean these things up a bit. Probably going to spray paint them black and then wrap them carbon fiber. Make it look a little bit better. But yeah, we'll got the interior part right now trying to get all these out. Looks like they took the time to hydro dip all of it. So get this apart, get this stuff cleaned up. Not sure what that is. Looks like they tried to dip that too. But yeah, we'll just continue work on the old JZX. We've started getting the body kit on and it's looking pretty good. Gonna get a grill on order here soon. We got to work on some bumper fitment for sure. We adjusted some fender fitment, hood, and it's all coming together pretty good. So we'll start getting body lines straight, cleaning things up a bit, and kind of go over the process with you guys. So straight from Auckland. It was Warrant Fitness Rego in New Zealand back in 2010. So old girl has been out of commission for a whizzle. It's not been on the road legal for a while now. So we got to do a lot of cleaning up to get this thing back on the road. Over here in the United States, it's not near as hard to get it roadworthy, but you know, it's been around for a while without being road legal. So she's been ran hard and put away wet. So we got a lot of things to clean up. So we will continue working on this thing, fitting the body kit, making it look nice. If we can transform this thing, we can transform about anything. So let's do it. Alrighty, so I just made a bumper support. All the factory stuff was not there, so we just made a bumper support for this. Looks like this is the factory mount right here. Factory mount's right here, but there was nothing in the middle. So 90 piece of aluminum mounted to that. Then I mounted another piece. Kind of hard to see, but anyways, made it so that all we have to do is pop some nuts off, 3 nuts off, and then we can pop this whole bumper off. We don't have to take anything else off. Just made it easy, you know. And she is stout. It's not going anywhere. Alright, bumper is officially mounted. She is sturdy. So, body line, perfect. Can't beat it. We're mounted right here. Tied all that together, so that is tight. Same for this side. Just made a piece that mounts in 3 different spots right here. That sucked this in and really pulled this body line up to the fender and has it looking nice. Can't beat it. Easy to deal with. Headlights still slide in. Going to look good with some straight body lines, good fitment. We'll move on to the rear bumper and the skirts. I'll probably drill out these crappy skirts first, get these things out of here. We'll continue to move forward.